Hello my dear children, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we will discuss some word problems based on addition and subtraction. Clue words for addition. In all, altogether, added to, on these, both, some, total, more than, combined, increased by, additional, and. All these are clue words for addition. If you have any of these words, then it's an addition word problem. Now go for the clue words for subtraction. Difference, need to, reduce, remain, left, less or less than, change, decrease, fewer, give away, take away, how many more, how many, larger, smaller, shorter. If you have any of these words, then it is an subtraction word problem. Now let's discuss some questions based on these. Sumit bought a house for rupees 3 crore 75 lakhs 26,085 and spent 2 rupees 2 lakhs 54,999 on repairing and painting. What is the total amount spent on the house? Here total is the keyword. By this we can know that we need to add. But after reading the question, instead of finding the keyword, I want all of you to understand the question. Find what has given in the question and what has been asked to find. These two things you need to analyze from the question. So here what has given, Sumit has bought a house for rupees 3 crore 75 lakhs 26,085. Solution. The cost of the house is 3 crore 75 lakhs 26,085. The answer statement we can take directly from the question. Now, expenses on repairing and painting equals to rupees 2 lakhs 54,999. You know, sometimes what happens, sometimes the buyer has to bear some additional expenses like transportation charges, labor charges, repairing charges, painting charges, and these charges are called as overhead charges. And these charges are added to the cost price to find the actual cost of the article. See here, the cost of the house is 3 crore 75 lakhs 26,085, but this repairing and painting is an additional expenses. Sumit has to bear. So these are called as, this is called as overhead charges. So actual cost of the house equals to the cost price of the house plus overhead expenses. Right? Now, actual cost of the house equals to rupees 3 crore 75 lakhs 26,085 plus the overhead charges, the cost of repairing and painting. These are overhead charges. This has to be added because Sumit has to pay this overhead expenses also. Plus rupees 2 lakhs 54,999. So, let's add. So, these are the places. You know that value of the same places has to be put one below another. Cost of the house, this is the repairing cost, repairing and painting cost. Sign up plus. Now you need to add. All of you know how to add, right? And this is the sum after addition. Equals to rupees 3 crore 77 lakhs 81,084. Answer, the total amount on the house, spent on the house is rupees 3 crore 77 lakhs 81,084. I hope this is clear. Next question. Amita had rupees 6 crore 75,420 in her bank account. She withdrew rupees 89 lakhs 88,000. How much money was left in her account? Here you can see left is the keyword which shows we need to perform subtract operation. But we will understand the question, then we will solve. Amount of money Amita had in her account, that is 6,75,420. She withdrew. What do you mean by withdrew? Withdrew is the past form of withdraw, which means take away. So withdrew means took away. Amita took away 89,88,000 from her account. So we need to find how much money was left in her account. Let's take small numbers instead of bigger one to understand the question. Let's take you had 10 apples and your brother took away 7 apples. Right? You had 10 apples and your brother took away 7. Now the question is, how many apples are left with you now? So what to do? 10 apples you had, your brother took 7. So 10 less 7, that is equals to 3. That means 3 apples are left with you now. Correct? Similarly, Amita had rupees 6,75,420. Amount of money she withdrew equals to rupees 89,88,000. So amount of money left in her account equals to rupees 6,75,420 less 89,88,000. So let's subtract. Put the same place value, same place digits one below another. I hope all of you know this. Then find the difference. Subtraction, all of you know, equals to rupees 5,10,87,420. Answer: amount of money left in her bank account is rupees 5,10,87,420. I hope this is clear to you all. Next, what should be subtracted from 1,93,40,103 to get 15,34,904? Let's understand this question through an example by taking small numbers instead of bigger one. What should be subtracted from 10 to get 7? Right? So what should be subtracted from 10? So 10 less, what should be subtracted that has not given to you? 10 less the number to get 7. So after subtracting, you are getting 7. We know that here 10 is the minuend and this number which has not given to you, which are being subtracted, this is called as subtrahend. Subtrahend, and 7 is the difference. Seven is the difference. Now, how to get the subtrahend, where minuend and difference that has been given to you. So subtrahend equals to minuend minus difference. So here minuend is 10 less difference is 7. 10 less 7 is 3. So 3 is the number which has to be subtracted from 10 to get 7. You can check it also. So I hope this concept is clear to you, and I will apply this concept to solve this question. So what should be subtracted? So the minuend here is 1,93,40,103. and difference which has been given to us, that is 15,34,904. We know that subtrahend equals to minuend minus difference, because subtrahend that has not been given to us, we need to find subtrahend, the number which should be subtracted, that is subtrahend. Subtrahend equals to minuend minus difference. So the required number equals to minuend. How much is the minuend? 1,93,40,103 less. Difference is 15,34,904. Now we need to subtract. So this is your minuend and this one is subtrahend. You know the same places, digits at the same places has to be written one below another. Now we will subtract, and this is the difference after subtracting. Solution part equals to 1,78,05,199. So this is the required number. Answer 1,78,05,199 should be subtracted from 1,93,40,103 to get 15,34,904. Do practice. This is very easy concept. Next, the price of an apartment is rupees 3,50,20,000. A man has rupees 82,32,749 with him. How much more money does he need to buy the apartment? Let's understand this through a simple example. Cost of a pen, let's check, it is rupees 20. And you need to buy this pen. And you have rupees, let's take 12 rupees you have. Now how much more money you need to buy this pen? I hope all of you can answer this now. So amount of money you need, that is cost of pen, that is rupees 20, less the amount that you have, that is 12, that is equals to rupees 8. So you need rupees 8 more to buy this pen. Let's check. You had rupees 12 and you need 8 rupees more. So 12 plus 8, that becomes 20, which is the cost of the pen. So now you can buy this pen. I hope all of you understood the concept. Now we will solve the question in the same way. So the price of an apartment is 3,50,20,000. So cost of the apartment is 3,50,20,000. Amount of money the man has with him equals to rupees 82,32,749. So more amount of money he needs equals to cost of the apartment, that is 3,50,20,000 less the amount that man is having, that is 82,32,749. So let's subtract it. Okay. So the digits at the same place should be placed one below another. Keep this in your mind. So let's subtract it. After subtracting, this is the difference, right? Now go to the solution side. Equals to rupees 2,67,87,251. Answer, he needs rupees 2,67,87,251 more to buy the apartment. I hope these solutions, the explanation, that is clear to you all. Do practice. Thank you.